everyone, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure. Today I'm going to be walking you through our Eriba Car 600 that's just arrived in stock. We've got two in stock. This is the one with the fixed bed. Keep your eyes peeled for the rear lounge one that I'm going to do next. But this vehicle in particular here is 5.99 metres in length. It's obviously on your Volkswagen chassis. It's a German built vehicle, and as well as this, it's 3.5 tonnes, so it can be driven on the standard driving licence. So I'm sure the first thing you noticed is the lovely two-tone paint. What really stands out to me is the fact that this doesn't actually look like a motorhome from the outside. So if you're trying to keep that sort of on the DL lifestyle, this could be the perfect vehicle for you. It's got your two-tone metallic paint. So you've got the lovely royal navy colour here, and you've got your chrome grille, and just below that is our front and rear parking sensors. So as you can see, it is a compact enough vehicle. It's 5.99 metres in length. You've got your 17-inch gloss black Volkswagen alloys. At the side, you've got your electric welcome step. You've got a little awning light strip just above the habitation door. And then at the back is our rear parking sensors and a reverse camera. So at the back, you've got your barn doors. You've got your fixed bed, and this lifts up out of the way if you need that additional storage, which is great. You've also got some cupboards in at the side here and at the back, so it does really utilise the space that you have. And just below this is where your gas bottle is stored. Nothing too exciting going on over at this side, but this is basically where your toilet cassette is kept, your electric hookup, and this is your Truma flue for your diesel and electric heating system. So into the driving seat here, we've got a fully digital cockpit, and as you can imagine, we'll have all the latest driving technology up here. You've got your adaptive cruise control, you've got your heated steering wheel, heated drivers and passenger seats, and you've got your lane keep assist, as well as a fully electric cockpit, as I was saying. This is your touchscreen infotainment system, so if you are into your gadgets, you'll love all of this here. And you've got your DAB radio, your reverse camera is built into that system as well. So we're into our living quarters. What a beautiful colour scheme we've got going on here. Again, what can I say? It's just very unique to me. I haven't seen anything quite like it. We've finished in the cognac leather upholstery, sort of like a burnt orange colour. And then you've got this sort of like tealy blue finish on all your cupboards. But this is your third and your fourth seat belt. You've got ISOFIX points there. Your front dinette converts into a third berth, so that table basically folds in half and clips onto the little bottom rail there. And then you've got your double bed at the back. Your kitchen area, you have a 2-ring gas burner, and your sink, you've got the lovely matte black finish on your sink and your shower. And then of course you've got plenty of little storage cupboards there too. It is pretty similar to the Heimer, where you've got your ambient light system here with your main lights and your touchscreen control panel there too, just above the driver's seat. So this is the bathroom. It is a wet room, as you can see. Your sink does get pulled up here if you want to use it as a shower, and your sink pulls down there, so that just stays out of the way whenever you're showering and you need that full space. And then you've got a little bit of storage behind here. And who doesn't love a little mirror with a light for getting ready? That was a quick walk through our Eriba Car 600. Check it out on the website if this is something you're interested in, and of course give us a wee shout on 028 92 693 999.